Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study medicine in the third year of MBBS. First, focus on core clinical subjects like general medicine and surgery, as they form the foundation. Actively participate in ward rounds and clinics to connect theory with real patient cases. Make sure to understand the pathophysiology of diseases and their management. Consistent revision and practice with past exam papers are crucial for success. To study effectively, establish a well-organized timetable that allocates sufficient time to each subject. Leverage a variety of resources, including standard textbooks, reputable online platforms, and engaging in clinical case discussions. Collaborating with peers in study groups can deepen your understanding of challenging concepts. Consistent practice of essential clinical skills, such as history taking and physical examination, is also vital for your development. Maximize your learning by attending all clinical postings and actively engaging with patients to understand their conditions. Keep a detailed logbook of the cases you observe and any procedures you perform, which aids in recall. Consistent revision of pharmacology and pathology is essential, as these subjects underpin clinical practice. Furthermore, prepare for your viva voce examinations by practicing clear and concise explanations of medical concepts. For exam preparation, consistently solve multiple-choice questions and practice writing concise answers to short-answer questions. Remember to prioritize your well-being by ensuring you get adequate sleep and maintain a balanced, nutritious diet. Staying hydrated throughout your demanding schedule is also key. You can check the description for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Finally, don't hesitate to seek guidance and mentorship from senior students or faculty members. Their experience is invaluable.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.